Hello students, welcome to the session on literary terms. Today the topic under discussion is iambic pentameter, and this is a continuation of our discussion on blank verse. As blank verse is mostly used for dramatic, reflective, meditative, epical, narrative poetry because it's free from the constraints of rhyme scheme, but still it has a natural speech rhythm of spoken language, and blank verse has the rhythm of iambic pentameter. Now, what meter is? Meter is rhythm. Rhythm of a regularly repeated pattern of accented and unaccented or stressed or unstressed syllables. The rise and flow of our natural speech style. Stress for importance and unstressed to stress for importance and unstressed to glide over. The point to be noted is that this stress falls on syllables. To define syllable, syllable is independent, shortest meaningful sound uttered by us. A. First alphabet of A, that is also a syllable. This sound necessarily contains a vowel sound. We can say syllable is a word or part of a word which can be said at one time and contains a vowel sound. Every word of more than one syllable has a natural stress on one of the syllables. The stress or accented syllable is pronounced with emphasis and is prominent, and we mark it with U, whereas the unstressed syllable or unaccented or weak syllable doesn't have any such emphasis, and it is shown with minus sign in phonetic transcription of a word. Now, phonetic transcription is the way any word is spelled or pronounced. This science is called phonetics, very important for non-native speakers to consult it to know the exact pronunciation and proper stress or any word, because stress or accent changes the meaning, like present, object. Now you can notice the change in the meaning while stress is being changed. Present, I have a present for you and I'm going to present a program. Object, I have seen an object there. Object, I object to your statement. इस स्ट्रेस को आप हिंदी में ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि मैं कहूँ मैं हूँ ना, दैट मीन्स यू कैन रिमेन स्ट्रेस फ्री, बट इन्हीं वर्ड्स को मैं स्ट्रेस चेंज करके कहूँ मैं हूँ ना, I'm not taking any responsibility. In the other sentences, आओ ना, with variation of stress it can be said like this, आओ ना. So stress changes the meaning while we are speaking. Now coming to our main point, that one word has stress on different syllables. ये जो रेगुलर पैटर्न होता है स्ट्रेस एंड अनस्ट्रेस्ड syllable का, जैसे इस स्लाइड में U माइनस 10 टाइम्स लिखा है और पेयर बनाएं रेगुलर रेपिटेशन के बेस पे, तो ये 5 पेयर हैं. ऐसा इसलिए कि रिद्म और मीटर इज क्लासिफाइड बाय डिवाइडिंग द लाइन इनटू पार्ट्स, और इन पार्ट्स को फुट कहते हैं, फुट या फीट कहते हैं, और एक फुट को हाइफन वाले साइन से शो करते हैं लाइक दिस. यू माइनस के एक पेयर को हाइफन लगा के जब हमने किया डिफरेंशिएट तो 5 फीट हो जाएंगे. 5 पार्ट्स वाली लाइन को 5 फीट जो है वो पेंटामीटर फुट हो जाएगी. जैसे कि 1 फुट वाली को मोनोमीटर, 2 फीट वाली को डायमीटर, 3 फीट वाली को ट्राईमीटर, 4 फीट वाली को टेट्रामीटर, 5 फीट पेंटामीटर, 6 फीट हेक्सामीटर, 7 फीट हेप्टामीटर एंड 8 फीट ऑक्टामीटर. और अब हम अपने पॉइंट सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट की बात करें कि रिद्म या मीटर की टाइप जो डिसाइड होती है वो कितने पेयर या कितने फुट हैं। एक स्ट्रेस, एक या दो अनस्ट्रेस्ड सिलेबल्स का एक यूनिट बनता है, एक फुट बनता है। The metrical foot contains a stressed syllable and usually one or two unstressed syllables. And iambs is a foot of two syllables and the stress falls on the second syllable, such as line is said to be in iambic mode. In our previous slide, which we have written like this, this is the line of iambs. The transcription, phonetic transcription is of iambs sign. Like u minus means it first is unstressed and the second syllable is stressed. Example is the line, the way was long, the wind was cold. Now the formula for differentiating for stress is that grammatical words are stressed and content words are, grammatical words are unstressed and content words are stressed. And stressed syllable is longer, louder, more clearer, and a change in pitch and a larger facial movement is there, like computer. While saying this word, our face is having various shapes. Computer, where the stress is going, it changes the shape of our mouth also. So going to iambs. Pentameter, as discussed earlier, stressed or unstressed pattern 5 times repeat होगा इसमें. Like our line in Birches, line by Robert Frost, the poem by Robert Frost. This line, when I see birches bend to left and right across a line of straighter, darker sea. Look, in this slide, I have not shown the phonetic transcription. For your convenience, I will attach PDF notes to this slide as stress is not clear through the slide. It's just, it's very subtle, this stress and pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. We have just to notice is when I see birches bend to left and right, cross the line of straighter, darker trees. Variation is there throughout the poem. It's not strictly that it will be iambs, every syllable will be unstressed and syllable. Throughout the poem, the variation is there. Other types of meters are trochee, anapiast, dactyl, amphibrach, amphimax, pondi, farrack. But for blank verse, we discussed iambs in detail. The rest will be discussed under the topic meter. For the time being, take care, stay motivated. Thank you, students. Thanks a lot.